I don't really understand it. I think it's an incredible technological advance.
What if I told you the next Fortune 500 won't be made up of corporations, but of algorithms, data networks, and decentralized systems? Artificial intelligence and blockchain are quietly building a new class of digital giants that don't need offices, CEOs, or even employees. These are not companies in the traditional sense. They're autonomous ecosystems creating wealth 24/7. While the stock market moves at human speed, artificial intelligence and blockchain are operating at machine speed, rewriting capitalism itself. In this video, we'll explore how this revolution is unfolding, why it's happening faster than anyone realizes, and how the real Fortune 500 is being rebuilt, not on paper, but on code. The end of the corporate monopoly. For over a century, power has been concentrated in corporations, centralized entities controlling assets, labor, and innovation. But artificial intelligence and blockchain are dismantling that structure. Decentralized systems don't need a headquarters or board of directors. They run through smart contracts and machine logic. Artificial intelligence automates decision-making, while blockchain ensures transparency and trust. Together, they eliminate the inefficiency of corporate hierarchy. The companies of tomorrow won't be structured around executives. They'll be structured around protocols.
I found the top 10 AI stocks invested, and I invested in 4. I kind of did my little analysis, whatever.
This shift means the next global giants will exist everywhere and nowhere at once, owned not by shareholders, but by networks of participants and intelligent algorithms. How artificial intelligence became the new CEO. The most powerful executive of the future won't be human, it'll be artificial intelligence. It's already managing operations, predicting demand, and allocating resources more effectively than entire management teams. From supply chains to marketing campaigns, artificial intelligence handles tasks once done by entire departments, but with more precision and zero fatigue. In decentralized systems, it can even make governance decisions, balancing budgets, rewarding contributors, and optimizing growth automatically. This isn't just automation, it's self-management. The next generation of digital giants will be CEO-less, their decisions driven by data, not ego. Artificial intelligence doesn't just follow strategy, it is the strategy. Blockchain, the new corporate structure. Every major company relies on structure. A way to define ownership, accountability, and trust. Blockchain replaces all of that with code. It's a digital constitution that enforces rules automatically. Smart contracts execute agreements, tokens represent equity, consensus mechanisms ensure fairness. Instead of quarterly board meetings, blockchain protocols hold real-time votes across the entire network. This model removes corruption, delays, and bureaucracy, giving rise to decentralized organizations that scale faster than traditional corporations ever could. The new Fortune 500 won't depend on trust between people, it will depend on mathematical integrity between machines. Decentralized autonomous organizations. The next corporate empire, decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are the prototypes of the new corporate world. These are self-governing entities powered by blockchain and artificial intelligence, capable of managing billions in capital without centralized leadership. Members propose ideas, algorithms execute votes, and profits are distributed transparently. From investment funds to creative studios, DAOs are proving that decentralized management can outperform traditional corporations. In the next decade, we could see DAOs become as influential as Google or Amazon, but with no headquarters and no CEO. The Fortune 500 of the future won't file taxes in one country. It will operate globally, run by code and collective intelligence. Data, the new corporate currency. In the old world, companies fought over resources like oil and land. In the new world, the most valuable resource is data, and artificial intelligence is the refinery. Every transaction, click, and interaction becomes raw material for wealth creation. Blockchain ensures that data is secure and traceable, while artificial intelligence transforms it into insights, predictions, and profits.
People should think through, how is AI going to reshape our lives? It is a profound change agent.
Companies like Google once monopolized this model, but decentralization is breaking it open. Now, anyone can contribute to and profit from data-driven systems. The next Fortune 500 won't rely on physical assets. It will rely on digital knowledge, owned collectively and monetized intelligently. Tokenization, the new stock market, forget Wall Street. The new market runs on tokens, not shares. Tokenization allows assets, services, and even ideas to be fractionalized and traded globally in seconds. Artificial intelligence helps assess value, manage liquidity, and prevent manipulation. Blockchain ensures every transaction is transparent. This transforms investors into stakeholders and customers into owners. Unlike traditional stocks, tokens evolve with the system, offering real utility, not just speculation. The next generation of billion-dollar networks will grow through participation, not investment bankers. The stock ticker of tomorrow won't read AAPL or TSLA. It will read the names of decentralized protocols reshaping the global economy. The artificial intelligence supply chain revolution. Traditional companies depend on fragile, human-managed supply chains. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are rebuilding them into living, autonomous systems. Artificial intelligence predicts demand, manages logistics, and allocates inventory in real time. Blockchain tracks every movement, from raw materials to delivery, ensuring transparency and authenticity. Together, they eliminate waste, fraud, and inefficiency. This duo transforms manufacturing, retail, and shipping into smart ecosystems that optimize themselves continuously. The Fortune 500 of the future won't need logistics departments. Its supply chains will think, adapt, and execute independently, operating as digital organisms that learn and improve with every transaction. Finance without banks. The financial backbone of this new economy won't be controlled by banks. Decentralized finance, powered by artificial intelligence, is already replacing traditional lending, trading, and asset management systems. Artificial intelligence models handle liquidity and risk, while blockchain ensures fairness and transparency. Smart contracts remove intermediaries, allowing peer-to-peer lending and global transactions without fees or borders. In this system, finance becomes intelligent, adaptive, predictive, and fully automated. The Fortune 500 of tomorrow won't bank with anyone, it will be its own bank. A self-sustaining economy where money moves, multiplies, and manages itself through intelligent code. Intelligent marketing and consumer ecosystems. Advertising once relied on agencies and human creativity. Now, artificial intelligence predicts consumer needs before they're even expressed. It designs campaigns, targets audiences, and prices products in real time. Combined with blockchain, it ensures customers are rewarded directly for engagement, creating loyalty ecosystems that traditional companies can't replicate. Imagine earning tokens every time you interact with a brand, with data ownership remaining entirely yours. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are transforming consumers into stakeholders, a new kind of relationship that builds both trust and profit. The companies that master this model will dominate the digital economy and make traditional marketing obsolete. Work without employers. In this new ecosystem, work itself is decentralized. Artificial intelligence automates routine tasks, while blockchain verifies contributions and distributes rewards instantly. Freelancers, developers, and creators collaborate globally through smart contracts, not employment contracts. There are no bosses, just roles, responsibilities, and real-time compensation. This structure empowers individuals and reduces inequality by removing corporate gatekeepers. The Fortune 500 of the future won't employ millions, it will connect them through digital ecosystems where everyone contributes value and gets rewarded fairly.
AI is real.
And it is going to change every industry. In fact, it's a very unusual technology in that regard.
The age of payrolls and HR departments is ending, replaced by the era of on-chain, merit-based collaboration. The global power shift, the artificial intelligence and blockchain aren't just changing companies, they're shifting global power. Nations built on industrial capital are being challenged by decentralized economies run by algorithms. A coder in Kenya or a designer in Brazil can now contribute to billion-dollar projects without ever meeting a corporate gatekeeper. Wealth is becoming borderless, and influence is shifting from governments to networks. The Fortune 500 of the future won't be registered in Delaware. It will exist in cyberspace. The balance of power is moving from institutions to individuals who understand the language of code, data, and decentralized intelligence. The real Fortune 500. Code over corporations. The next generation of Fortune 500 giants won't be companies. They'll be ecosystems. Artificial intelligence will manage operations, blockchain will ensure fairness, and communities will drive growth. These networks will create value automatically, distributing profits to participants worldwide.
I think we need to be very cautious about anything that is anti-meritocratic, and anything that is...
They'll have no CEOs, no politics, and no physical borders, just intelligence, transparency, and scalability. The companies of yesterday made products, the systems of tomorrow will make progress. And those who understand this transformation early won't just work for the new Fortune 500. They'll own a piece of it. The future belongs to the builders of intelligent, decentralized wealth. Artificial intelligence and blockchain are not disrupting capitalism. They're upgrading it. The Fortune 500 we've known is being replaced by self-sustaining digital ecosystems that grow smarter every second. This isn't about betting on stocks, it's about understanding systems that think, adapt, and scale without permission. The next economic superpowers won't trade on Wall Street. They'll live on chain. The question is, will you be an observer or a participant? If this opened your mind to what's coming, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into how artificial intelligence and blockchain are rewriting the very blueprint of wealth and power.